Hello everyone, welcome back to Continental Food and Cake TV. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. My name is Joy, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you so much. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cook fish pepper soup. Delicious, yummy. As you all know now, we're in winter time. The weather has changed, so this is the perfect time to make this for your family or make it for yourself. If you're new here, you've not subscribed, please hit that button and subscribe. Also turn on your notification bell so that whenever I upload new video, you'll be the first to get it. Leave your comment and give this video a thumbs up. Let's get started. To cook the fish pepper soup, I use red BREAM fish, but you can use any fish of your choice. I wash the fish off camera with lime to take out the dirt, then cut into large size. Next, I have smoked catfish, wash and debone with hot water. Then I have scotch bonnet, 3 pieces cut and chop. Next is Cameroon pepper and hot pepper, half a teaspoon each. Then I have scent leaf, which is called NCHONWU leaf. Seasoning cube 1.5. In one pack you have 2 seasoning cubes, so it's 1.5. So next I have the pepper soup spice, and this pepper soup spice has been grinded, packaged. It was given to me by one of my friends who have an African shop, so I'm trying it out for the first time. But the link or how to get the pepper soup spice is going to be on the description box, so please check that out. Pepper soup spice. Next ingredients is 2 tablespoons of grinded crayfish. Next, I have my pot in a medium high, and to that I added water already, almost half of the pot. So next I'm adding salt, then add the grinded pepper and Cameroon pepper, add the crayfish, then add seasoning cube. So I'm making the base for the fish pepper soup. Then I'm adding the pepper soup spice, 1 tablespoon, which I'm trying for the first time. I mix together until it's well combined. After mixing together until it's well combined, I taste it to know what it tastes like. So next I add half a teaspoon of the pepper soup spice, and I'm saying I'm loving the pepper soup spice. To be honest, it really wowed me because this is my first time trying pepper soup spice that I did not grind myself. So next I'm adding all the fish, the red BREAM fish, but you can use any fish of your choice, and I'm adding the smoked catfish. After that, I mix together. To make fish pepper soup is very easy, most especially if you've prepped all your ingredients. If all your ingredients are ready, everything goes really fast. So after mixing together until it's well combined, next I cover with the lid and allow to cook in a low heat for at least 20 minutes. So this is 20 minutes later. Did you see that? By this time, the fish must have absorbed all the seasoning and spices, and your kitchen should be smelling nice. Next, add the NCHONWU leaf, but with NCHONWU leaf, you don't want to add too much, just a tablespoon. Then add the scotch bonnet and mix together. But when you're mixing, be gentle, you don't want to break your fish. So with the scotch bonnet, it's also going to add that flavor, that nice aroma of scotch bonnet. Cover the pot with the lid again and allow to simmer for 5 minutes, and 5 minutes later your fish pepper soup is ready. Easy to make, delicious, yummy, perfect for winter weather. Also, if you just had a baby, this is the best pepper soup for you. Fish pepper soup, trust me, if you just have a baby. I know it's really spicy, but you can reduce the quantity of the pepper, but it's called pepper soup, so why not add a lot of pepper? So to pair this, I pair with rice, but you can have it on its own. You can even have it with boiled yam, but I had mine with rice. Oh my god, it tastes so delicious. Delicious, trust me. So delicious that you don't want to miss this. So please try it, and if you do, tag me on Instagram, Continental Food Cake. You can also let me know on YouTube. I'll really appreciate it. And if you can, send me the picture. Thank you so much for all my returning subscribers. If you're new here and you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that button and subscribe. What it does, that it notify you whenever I upload new video, and you also need to turn your notification bell so that you get it first when I upload new video. Thank you so much. Thank you. Check the description box. You are going to find the list of the ingredients, and also you are going to find how to get the pepper soup spice. To be honest, I'm blown away with this pepper soup spice. I don't trust buying pepper soup spice, but this one really wowed me. Thank you so much, and thank you to my auntie who gave me this pepper soup spice. Thank you so much. I love you all, and I will see you in another one. Bye bye.